Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed veg in cooker. Trim and chop vegetables evenly, heat oil, and sauté aromatics briefly to build flavor. Add root vegetables first, then softer veggies, and stir to combine. Season with salt, pepper, and spices, then add a small amount of liquid to create steam and pressure. Monitor cooking times and release pressure according to vegetable size. Start by sautéing onions and spices until fragrant to create a flavor base. Add chopped carrots and potatoes first, then layer peas, bell peppers, and greens on top. Pour in a small amount of broth or water, just enough to generate steam without boiling the vegetables. Lock the lid, set a short cook time, and use quick release if vegetables are small to retain texture and bright color. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more simple cooker recipes. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling fresh after grocery runs and veggie prep. It pairs surprisingly well with kitchen adventures. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After releasing pressure, open the cooker and stir the mix gently to preserve texture. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, a squeeze of lemon or fresh herbs to brighten the dish. If you want a creamier finish, stir in a splash of coconut milk or yogurt off heat. Serve hot with rice, flatbread, or as a side, and enjoy the balance of tender vegetables and vibrant seasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.